Fazbear House, Foxy chased the pizza. The pizza fell and Foxy slipped right into Freddy. Oh, wasn't that fun, boys and girls? Now, in just a few minutes, Ballora will be coming out to perform the Fazbear dance for you. But until then, do you little boys and girls have any ideas for games we could play? Yar! How about we play Walk Foxy's Plank? I beg your pardon, sir. Oh, don't be playing coy with me, Minkle. It's me, Foxy, and I'm gonna get ya. Sir, I believe you're confused. My name is Funtime Foxy. Oh, trust me, matey. Foxy's gonna show you a fun time. That's it! Get it through your head, sir! I am a guy! Wait, what? Really? Then why ye be pink? Well, the owner got a discount by buying in bulk just one color, and made us all pink to save up. Ha ha! I bet you feel real awkward now, chap, don't ya? You know what? Ye look like Mangle, and that's good enough for me. Come here, you! No, wait! Stop! Unhand me! Oh my god, what are you going to do with that hook? Swiggity swoogity. It's going in that booty. No! Hee I can't wait to see the fan art that comes from this.
Broken from the start, chained to